Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Michelle and I make art videos and other related things about my life. So, hello, welcome on in. But today, come on in, come closer. There's plenty of room. We're going to gather around the harvest gathering because it's September. That's very nice. So gather around, there's plenty of room in this campfire, except we're not lighting this, so we got the, can't see it, but it's lit. Little battery operated flame. Trust me, it's lit. If you don't already know, I'm a huge fan of the holidays. So I thought that it was the perfect time to go ahead and do some fall shopping for some fall decor to decorate this background that I have with the setup here, my office, and some other areas. Fall decor is something that I did do and put up in my dorm when I was still in college. So I was like, this is perfect. I have a little space, a little office space I can decorate. And so I went out on a hunt for some fall decor at our local stores, and I will show you guys how that went. So it seemed like the selection was pretty good so far. I was still at the beginning of the store. Things are looking good. I see oranges, I see pumpkins, I see all types of cool stuff so far. Pumpkin spice, pumpkin caramel scone, pumpkin cheesecake, all the pumpkin, everything. The pumpkin cinnamon roll, pumpkin donut, everything. But little did I know I was about to be bombarded with candle mania. Like, the candles were never ending. There was just candles. Smooth roasted pumpkin puree and ground spices blended with ambered woods and hints of smoke-infused buttered chestnut. What? This chair, lovely, beautiful, very fall. I respectively put it back when I saw the price, respectively placed that right back on it. There were some things going on that were definitely categorized as fall, but was it for me? No ma'am, it was not. I was immediately terrified upon walking in Marshalls. I thought this was the only fall section. I was confused. Hello friend, what's going on? Until I saw this garland that was pretty cute. Wasn't the exact vibe I was going for. The orange felt very saturated and it was $12.99, so I was like, meh, it feels like something I can make. They had the cutest pumpkins, but they were ceramic and I didn't really want anything glass around, but they were beautiful. That one I was holding felt velvety, super nice. But it wasn't the one for me. Look at I was so happy with it. But you know, let's send it back to Studio Michelle. The biggest thing for me was trying to find things that weren't too Halloween-y or too Thanksgiving-y. Probably like something in the middle where it's like still fun. Maybe got some sparkle and stuff in there, but it's like not so October or so November that it just like looks out of place in either of those months. It was a bit of a fail because it's still September and I guess the stores just weren't on it like Starbucks was. Starbucks has already released their pumpkin spice flavors. I think they released it on like the last day of August or something. So like they're ahead of the jump, and I guess that just fooled and confused me because there wasn't much at these stores as y'all just saw. So I went and dug up some of my college decor and this is what I came up with. Okay, so we all know like 15 minutes ago things were looking pretty bleak for the fall decor transformation for this studio space, but I went searching one more time and I found some more things from my college dorm that I think are going to help a lot in here. I found in this little hefty bag some fake leaves, and more of those candles that light up. Cute little sparkly ones, and plenty of fake leaves. Bada bing, bada boom. Another pumpkin has entered the situation. A cute little welcome sign. This sign that you probably saw in one of the videos that I filmed in my dorm. And it still says it's fall, y'all. And this is, I guarantee you, this is from last fall. So, found it just in time. I knew I was forgetting something. And this cute little canister, I was desperately trying to show y'all that the lights worked. And so this canister will be the representation for me to finally show y'all. Bada bing, bada boom. Really excited to have these things to decorate in here with, and it's gonna be looking very fall up in here. So I'm thinking that some DIYs are going to have to commence right now. The first order of business is this little block. I think I'm going to paint it. I'm thinking a pumpkin of some sort on here would look cute, and I could hang it to the wall somehow. So I think that is the plan. I love these. These are from IKEA. If you didn't see my setup on my video on how I like set up this office and like put things together, go check that out. But I think the blue is a disservice right now to the fall theme, so hate to see you go, bestie. If you didn't see before, this little thingy says welcome family and friends, and it has just like cute like fall time colors and these little animals. So I'm like, does this work anywhere here? I have to go here, but that's so far. You can barely see it. This table has definitely seen better days. Definitely. Cute. Woo, woo, woo. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today, watching me sort of change up the backdrop and whatnot for fall. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe. I'm clearly a mess, clearly always a work in progress and working on things. So if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button to see more of all of this. I think I'm happy with it, but there's always ways to do better. If you couldn't tell, I was trying my best to make use of holes that were already in the wall, but I'll probably rearrange it somehow to get a better visual of like everything I got going on when I'm filming. But for right now, I'm really happy with it. When you zoom in, most of my videos are like more zoomed in. You can see everything, but you can't really see some of the little painting I made, so I might move it down here. I'm glad that it worked out, even though the stores are definitely not on the same wavelength as me right now. They're not quite ready for fall the way I am, but yeah, thank you for watching this far. If you're watching this far, then why not subscribe to see more of me? But leave a comment, like this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Happy fall, y'all!